now over here, we also build for military contractors. And these end up being drones. So these black machines, you can see there's no seat in them.
That's the one you were showing us the doors in
Right.
the other center.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is
Cool.
unmanned?
This is an unmanned machine that is used.
It's the biggest drone I've seen.
Right. And in fact, you'll see a couple others, whatever, that are knockout.
That's
so
crazy.
These are used for military contractors as communications purposes, as weapon systems, or as targets.
Oh, wow.
And so you have to test your weapon system, your laser guided or your heat seeking with something, and they will buy our helicopter and shoot it down because it's one of the more cost-effective ways to test a system.
Oh no!
So
Poor
the bike is
babies.
just to take it down, but it's so crazy. This is
So we've built 25 or 30 of them for this contractor.
Wow.
Yeah,
I mean,
something
that's
along
good
those
money. Yeah, that's
Right.
good. Yeah.
We
So-
hope the kid on the trigger's got good aim. They need another one then.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Don't y'all need a few more?
Wow, that's
Right,
crazy.
and then now since you got interested with us for drones, let's go to this last one.
Kind of tight. Hard to.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at the ground because I'm real prone to
Yeah,
kick
yeah,
things
yeah.
that,
Keep your eye
boy,
on that.
jumped right out at me.
You're tripping over stuff.
That's my, what did I say? Brand new, I'm being real careful with it.
So, but here's something where that factor is approaching zero. This is this one's not outfitted to fly just yet because there's no blades on it, among other things.
Okay.
But this is a 500-pound capacity drone.
This is crazy.
Okay, so
For
this is
deliveries and things like that, package
right, and this one is
deliveries.
being outfitted for agricultural spraying.
Oh.
But you can see there's no room for an occupant. There's just room for computers and servos.
Wow.
Okay,
That's what we-
computer servos, radios, and this machine
Oh,
is
let me put some
Yeah.
light in there, maybe.
the machine is made to fly autonomously. This is not an RC vehicle. That's dirty in there.
Yeah.
This is not an RC vehicle. This is an autonomous vehicle, and that's where you put it on the mission on your laptop and send it on its
Just
way, and it does
program
it.
it.
Right.
That's crazy.
So we're looking at 500 pounds payload, and it's not yet released.
Okay.
We are.
You're looking at Skunk Works here.
Yeah.
It's, when you said this is where all the innovation happens, you were in line because
Right.
this
So
is
these are the tanks for the spray material, and this is spray boom that folds out. So it's got a 16.5-foot spray swath.
Wow.
So this folds out, shuts.
Would something like this run at a lower price than one that a person would climb in and fly?
No.
Or it would be a much higher
No,
price?
this is a much higher price.
Yeah.
This is a much higher price. This is approaching $250,000 a copy.
Wow.
Right.